Okay, guys, in example 15, now we've got to do the heavy loading. So we're going to factor this completely. We've got 3y plus 1 quantity raised to the fourth. And so let's go ahead and start by identifying that fifth row of 14641. We will do our patterns. So a plus b raised to the fourth is going to be equal to a to the fourth, b to the 0, plus a to the third, b to the first, plus a squared, b squared, plus a to the first, b to the third, plus a to the 0, b to the fourth. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay, so a is going to be our 3y. And b is going to be 1. And I should have gone back here. Let's go back here real quick. We'll put our coefficients in there. So we have 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and start plugging things in. So we have 1, a to the fourth, which is 3y to the fourth, 1 to the 0, plus 4. And then in parentheses, we'll have a to the third, so 3y to the third times 1 raised to the first, plus 6 times 3y squared, 1 squared, plus 4 times 3y to the first, 1 to the third. Again, always remember that those exponents add up to 4 in this case, plus 1 times 3y to the 0, 1 to the fourth. Okay, let's simplify some things out. So in this first term, we have 1 times 3y to the fourth times 1 raised to the 0. I'm going to use Desmos for the numbers. And so we have 1 times 3 to the fourth times 1 to the 0. Let's go ahead and show you what I put into Desmos. So I have 1 times 3 to the fourth times 1 raised to the 0. And that's going to give me 81. So we'll have 81. And then our variables are going to be easy. Y to the fourth plus, and then 4 times 3 to the third. Let's go back to that. Times 1 to the first. 4 times 3. Okay, so times 1 raised to the first. That's going to give us 108 plus 108 y to the third, plus, then we'll do 6 times 3y squared, so 6 times 3 squared times 1 squared. So 6 times 3 squared times 1 squared, and that's going to give us 54. So 54. And then our variable would be y squared. Notice how we're going from y to the fourth, y to the third, y squared. And then we have 4 times 3 raised to the first. So 4 times 3 times 1 raised to the third, that's going to give us 12. Y to the first, we don't really need that 1 there. But we have 1 to the third, that's going to stay the same. Okay, and then plus, okay, and then on the last one, we've got 1 times 3y to the 0 times 1 raised to the 4th. Well, anything raised to the 0 is just going to be 1. So this is 1 times 1 times 1, which is just 1. And that's going to be fully expanded. So it takes a little bit longer to do, a little bit more work on it, but you can see that it is manageable. So there's the example. Here is the try it. So go ahead and use that Pascal's triangle and use the patterns that we see. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll talk in class.